Hi friends, this is Miss Ashley with the Crystal Lake Public Library here today to show you how to make our winter break take and make DIY fidget. This is in the shape of a diamond. It's quite stretchy. You can roll it around. Let's get started. First, you will have registered on the library's website, CLPL.org, on the calendar. And then after you've registered, you would come into the library and pick up this take and make kit, take it home. There are instructions for those of you that like to read, and then there's a video for those of you that like to watch. You're gonna have two different colored beads. One is color 1, you're gonna have 25 of those. 2 is color 2, you're gonna have 24 of those. There's gonna be an elastic cord in here, and then there's going to be a keychain ring. The first thing I'm gonna do is take my elastic cord. Now it's long because last time we did this, some of the cords got shortened. So we wanted to make sure everyone had enough length. So you're gonna fold it in half. You're gonna make this a loop. And then you're going to take the rest of it and pull it through like that. Okay. Now, if it's too long for you to work with, you can trim it up a little bit. So red is my color 1 in this one. I have 25. White is color 2. I have 24. And then the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna put one bead on first for color 1. I'm gonna put that through. And then I'm gonna I put that on my left hand string. I'm gonna take my right hand string and go through. And that is my first one. Remember, we're doing a diamond. The next row are 2 color 1 beads like this. I'm gonna put them through my left side. And then I'm gonna put my right side right here through, since I have a hold of it. I did have a hold of it. Now I have a hold of it. Okay. I'm gonna pull both sides up till it goes up with my first row. There we go. And then we're gonna make row 3, which is 1 color 1, 1 color 2, and another color 1. And I'm gonna put that through my left side first. And try to put it through my right side next. All 3 beads. If you need to do them one at a time, that is okay. Then I'm going to pull these up. There you go. And then I'm going to continue repeating the pattern till I get to the center, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. When I have that in the middle, and then I'm going to finish it off. So I'm going to speed this up a little bit for you. Okay, so I have all my beads on. Take a look at it, make sure I didn't miss anything. I think it looks good to me. I'm happy with it. So now we're just gonna tie it. So I have all this extra cord, which is great. So I'm gonna take it and I am going to just kind of flatten this out a little bit, see how I can stretch it, make sure that it lays flat. I think that if I just pinch it right here, that looks good to me. So I'm gonna pinch it right there, and you might need another set of hands to help with this. That is okay. You can always ask for help. And then we're gonna loop this around, and you wanna hold it right there. and then you're gonna pull it through, and then I want to move the knot as close as I can to the beads, all right? And if your first knot doesn't turn out okay, you can always take it out and try it again. And if you have a lot of extra cord like I do, you can snip it with some scissors and make it shorter. And you will have this. I hope you've enjoyed our winter break take and make with the DIY Fidget. And come in, get some books, borrow some things to listen to on your mobile device, and we will see you back here soon. Thanks for watching.